Time to check on the renovations. I am back here in Silver Spring. We just picked up our sold sign off of Veirs Mill, and now I'm coming to check out this little unit right up here to see how the renovation work is coming along. Join me inside. It's been about 10 days since we have been here last, so we're gonna go take a look and see what progress they've done. I don't expect much because we just finalized the agreement on the rest of the renovations a couple of days ago. So probably nothing crazy, but let's go see inside. We don't have any giant fans in here anymore, so that's a bonus. And all of that stuff got cleaned out because that stuff over there was full. I guess I'll start peeling mirrors off. No real change out here. And kitchen looks like they're starting to pop some stuff off the walls. And some of the some of the wallpaper is starting to come off. And no real change in here. This room looks a whole lot better. And it looks like we got the first coat of primer on everything in here, which is nice. And no progress in that bathroom. And looks like we got a coat of paint up in here as well. So coming along nicely. And we'll be back in a little bit to check the updated progress again. So they're already starting to peel the wallpaper off here. I would have liked to see more work done in here, but again, they just agreed on terms with the contractor like a couple days ago. So we probably just got that stuff patched and painted. I do see a couple other little minor things in here. So I think they're gonna be in here next week and hit it hard. And again, I was just around the corner. So I was like, hey, let's come film some more content and check on this place for the owners because they are out of state. So I am their eyes and ears on the project. So looking good, a lot longer to go, but I think start to finish, it should be another week until this thing's done. So I'll try to get back in here and do another update, and then the final product will be ready to go.